Imagine this. You're an engineer in Vietnam, dreaming of a better career, a new life, and a fresh start in a country like Australia. But here's the catch. You don't know where to start, the process seems overwhelming, and you're not sure if it's even possible. Sound familiar? Well, that was me just a few years ago. Hi everyone, I'm Brian Pham, and this is BP's Engineering Quest. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I moved from Vietnam to Australia as an engineer, step by step. From choosing the right city and university to landing a job in one of the top engineering companies in Australia, I'll reveal everything you need to know. But here's the thing, I almost gave up halfway through the process because of one huge mistake. Stick around, because I'll tell you what it was and how you can avoid it. From navigating the visa process to securing my dream job, I'll be breaking down every step of the way. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. So, why Australia and why Darwin? Well, after living in Ho Chi Minh City for 10 years, I knew I wanted a place with a similar climate, a multicultural vibe, and a strong engineering industry. Darwin checked all the boxes. But here's the twist. Most people think of Sydney or Melbourne when they dream of moving to Australia. I didn't. And that decision changed everything. Darwin's smaller size made it easier to adapt as an international student, and Charles Darwin University, CDU, had a master's program that perfectly aligned with my career goals. Whether you're an aspiring engineer considering a move to Australia or simply curious about life down under, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into my story. After living in Ho Chi Minh City for 10 years, I knew I wanted to experience life in a new country, but I wasn't willing to compromise on certain aspects that were important to me. I craved a place with a similar climate to what I was used to, a vibrant and multicultural environment, and of course a thriving engineering industry. That's when Darwin, in the Northern Territory of Australia, caught my eye. Darwin ticked all the boxes. The tropical climate felt instantly familiar, reminding me of home. The city's multicultural fabric resonated with my desire to live in a diverse and welcoming community. And to top it off, Darwin had a strong engineering sector, particularly in areas that aligned with my specialization. But it wasn't just the city itself that drew me in. Charles Darwin University, CDU, offered a master's program that perfectly matched my career aspirations. The program had a strong practical focus, which was exactly what I was looking for to enhance my skills and boost my employability in Australia. Another factor that made Darwin appealing was its size. Compared to bustling metropolises like Sydney or Melbourne, Darwin offered a more manageable transition, especially as an international student. The smaller city vibe promised a close-knit community and a more relaxed pace of life, which I found comforting. Choosing Darwin was a decision based on careful research and a gut feeling that this city would embrace me and provide the perfect launchpad for my engineering career in Australia. Once I'd set my sights on Darwin and CDU, the next hurdle was securing my student visa. The Australian student visa process is known to be quite comprehensive, and I knew I had to be meticulous in my preparation. The first step was meeting the English language requirements. I opted for the PTE exam, which is widely accepted for Australian visa applications. I spent months brushing up on my English skills, focusing on all aspects of the test reading, writing, listening and speaking. Next came the financial documentation. I had to provide evidence of sufficient funds to cover my tuition fees and living expenses in Australia. This involved meticulous planning and saving, ensuring I met the financial requirements set by the Australian government. The final piece of the puzzle was receiving an official acceptance letter from CDU for my chosen master's program. Once I had all these documents in order, I submitted my visa application, feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness. The waiting period was definitely nerve-wracking. It took approximately 8 months for my visa to be granted, but looking back, I can confidently say that the effort and patience were worth it. Navigating the student visa process can seem daunting, but with careful planning, thorough preparation, and a good dose of patience, it's definitely achievable. Chapter 3. From Classroom to Career Gaining Real-World Experience. My time at CDU was invaluable, not just for the academic knowledge I gained, but also for the practical experience I was able to acquire. During my second year, an incredible opportunity presented itself. An internship at one of the top mechanical services companies in the Northern Territory. This internship was a turning point in my journey. It allowed me to apply everything I'd learned in my master's program to real-world engineering projects. I was exposed to the Australian workplace culture, industry standards, and the day-to-day challenges and triumphs of working as an engineer. I was fortunate to work on diverse projects, collaborating with experienced engineers who mentored me and shared their expertise. This hands-on experience proved to be crucial in bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. It boosted my confidence and equipped me with the skills and industry insights that would later prove invaluable in my job search. The internship also opened doors to networking opportunities within the Darwin engineering community. I attended industry events, connected with professionals in my field, and gained valuable insights into the local job market. Looking back, I can confidently say that my internship experience was instrumental in shaping my career path in Australia. It solidified my passion for mechanical engineering, provided me with practical skills, and gave me a competitive edge in the job market. Chapter 4. Embracing the Darwin lifestyle more than just a city. Adapting to a new country is about more than just academics and career aspirations. It's about embracing a new culture, lifestyle, and community. And Darwin welcomed me with open arms. The city's laid-back atmosphere was a refreshing change from the hustle and bustle I was used to. Darwin has a unique charm, a blend of tropical vibes, a strong sense of community, and a relaxed approach to life. The multicultural fabric of Darwin also made me feel right at home. I met people from all walks of life, each with their own unique stories and experiences. This diversity enriched my time in Darwin and broadened my perspectives. To further integrate into the community, I joined local engineering groups and made a conscious effort to attend networking events. These gatherings provided me with a platform to connect with fellow engineers, share experiences, and gain valuable insights into the industry. But it wasn't all work and no play. Darwin's natural beauty was a constant source of wonder and adventure. I spent my weekends exploring nearby national parks, swimming in crystal-clear waterfalls, and marveling at the stunning sunsets over the Timor Sea. Darwin became more than just a city. It became my home away from home. It was a place where I felt welcomed, supported, and inspired. Outro: your engineering adventure awaits. Tips for a smooth move. If you're dreaming of moving to Australia as an engineer, here are my top tips. 1. Start preparing early. Research visas, save money, and improve your English. 2. Choose a city and university that align with your goals and preferences. 3. Network with professionals in your field. It's key to landing a job. 4. Be patient and persistent. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Moving to a new country is a life-changing experience. It's a journey filled with challenges and rewards in equal measure. But with the right preparation, a positive attitude, and a willingness to embrace new experiences, you can turn your engineering dreams into reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's dreaming of moving abroad as an engineer. Don't forget to subscribe to BP's Engineering Quest for more tips and stories about my engineering journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.